Hi and welcome back to Sydney Trains Blogs. I'm currently at Sydney Central Station to do another monthly update of the Eddy Avenue Plaza. We demolished the ramp, as you can see here. The staircase to platform 14 has been demolished too. There used to be a ramp all the way across. They demolished the whole ramp from the top until bottom. You can only see a quarter bit of the ramp has been left out. In about another month or two maybe. The whole thing, all these rocks will be all gone by the time I do the December update. They actually got the hose running there. They left it. Let's have a chat. The exact reason why they're doing this is because they're making way for rail maintainers. Not only that, but they're actually making like new accessibility. Now I'm just going to quickly show you the details of Eddy Avenue Plaza, called the Eddy Avenue Central Renovation Project. As you can see here in this picture, you can see that the little shop that the ramp used to be just right over here. That's being fully demolished. They put like new tiles. I don't know what this really is, but it looks like a cafe for some reason. You can see the metro and train lollipop signs just on our left. So this is actually going to bring one of those, it's going to bring a new start for Eddy Avenue. Is going to be fully completed in the year, well, around mid-2026, but which is far enough. Basically just a landscaping, improved lighting around the service or the area. The plaza reconstructed happened in early 2025, so around March 2025. So this is the basic of the stage 1 Eddy Avenue demolished. So the whole thing is getting demolished, like I said last month, anytime or whatnot. And yeah, this is the new photo or the future plan or the stage 1 plan for Eddy Avenue. Got the Tangara going across. It looks like they took away the metro lollipop sign. A lot has happened. Light rail on the way to Junior Kingsford. Got a Linfield train. And that's it for the update. Always has, always is. And thank you for watching Sydney Trains Blogs.